my dear friends, so we are here again to do a new vlog. So for today's video I'm gonna share with you because I remember when I have coughing, I always eating mint candies when I have a cough. So actually, my dear friends, I have cough, and because of the winter season and super cold here in Italy, so I have cough a little bit, not just a little bit. Sometimes my cough is gone, sometimes it's turning back again. So today's I went to groceries together with my husband, so I bought a lot of mint candies here. This is a mint candies. So I remember when I was in Philippines, I always eating these mint candies, and it's helping for my nose and for my throat also. So now I have a lot. I bought this one. I have a lot. So yeah. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. See you.